Hello everyone, my name is Gabe Cruz and we are here today joined with our newest addition to the Braille Skateboarding team, JD.
What's up,
Let's
everybody?
go! To celebrate him joining the team, we've been doing a series of really crazy, mega ramp, ginormous pyramid builds, and we figured, why not build something for this guy right here to go ahead and shred? And he happens to be the second vert skater on the team, other than Ricky Ice. And now we're gonna see what we can do. So Uzi devised this entire scheme. I don't know what it is, no one knows what it is, but Uzi is just gonna take it away and that's it.
Hey JD, do you like jumps and landings?
Yes.
You do? You like landings? You like spines?
Yeah.
Perfect. What you think, JD? You think you can make it up that? It is pretty big. I don't know if I can make it, but I feel like you can.
Not a vert skater.
Dang! Oh! I felt like I got a lot of air on that one. Oh! Dang! Oh!
Anyone want to air over me?
That's pretty high. Dang, that was sick.
Thank you for not killing me. I appreciate you. Uzi, you realize there are wheels on this.
I know, we can put it back. I'm gonna see this.
Having them over the edge is a good idea, but then the ramp becomes kind of too close. Because if you do it right now, when you land on it, the ramp will just shoot down.
What? Yeah, I think we could probably take the wheels off pretty easily.
Yeah. Light-footed! Light-footed!
Woo! I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm trying to make it to where it doesn't roll, but I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't think, oh wait, that's not gonna work. Oh. So this is level 2. We forgot it had wheels, but everyone doesn't care at all, so everyone's just skating it with wheels. So yeah, we're gonna skate this and then we're gonna move levels up after. Oh! Gabe almost got katana'd.
You guys scared?
No, never.
I'm not gonna let go of my girl.
I would never be.
Dude, I'm not gonna let go of her.
I got so squirrely over there, I didn't go fast enough. How do I get higher? I don't know how to skate this thing.
I was about to just go super fast, but I was like, wait, I gotta calm down. And then look at that.
And then you party fouled it.
The ramp landed it. The ramp landed the vibe.
It did.
Level 3, we got the quarter pipe. This is, I think it's about the same height, but this right here. So I feel like JD will be nothing to him. But for the rest of us, it might be a little more sketchy because like we don't want to get hung up, you know? But I feel like JD got it easy.
You gonna do this?
I'll try.
I was trying to like slow down, but
I'm glad my friend's okay. I'm glad you're all right.
just like front flip in the elevator.
Oh, like I think I can for sure do this. But
Insane.
Yeah, that was loft, huh?
Oh my.
That was a bit of lofty.
Did you get that, Ooze?
little side center, but
A little lofty. Yeah, look, landed pretty good in the ramp.
got it though.
That was fun.
Are you ready for the final level? It's if you want to do it.
The final level.
The
final level, yeah.
The final level, I was gonna get that because I think you guys have gone way higher than that, but that seems like at least it's a landing. But if it's too big, then like we just put it back, it's whatever.
On you, that was like, all right, let's measure how big this is. That was like just a bit taller than you, right?
The thing is, like on the high ollie, like you either land it or you don't. Like this is like you have a landing, so you're actually not that high. But is it even? Cause look,
Because for this, you gotta have it kind of far back to like get the clearance.
Yeah, really.
Ricky, this looks absolutely insane.
It's tough, but it's not unachievable. We got it. I think Mowgli, I, and JD will all do it. That's my prediction.
I agree.
Oh, you get this one too easy.
All right, Mo. Ricky, should you guys Rochambeau to see who goes first?
If Mowgli wants it, he can have it.
Mo, you want to go first?
you got it right here.
Now he's gonna land it right here.
Next one that I get a good ollie, I'll do it.
Nah.
That's chill. That's okay. We can make it over. We can survive. Not too dangerous. I think JD's got this. I'm gonna tell him that he's got it. Got up there pretty chill.
Hey, do it for that guy right there on that grip tape.
For the main man. Leave in the comments below, does this look like Aaron Cairo? Let me know.
Yeah, way over.
You feel any better after that?
Dude, that looked crazy.
You got it!
That was cool.
That was sick. And you cleared it by like a foot too.
Yeah.
Sick. I'm happy.
Show Chris the meme, please.
Is that what you were laughing at?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Nigel said, he's like, why did you just pop up on my Facebook feed? And then it's this. You guys will see it?
Oh my god. You have no power here.
First try!
I'll just try Andy, just for fun.
That looks so fun. It looks like a roller coaster.
At the start, it's so scary. It's like, I don't think I can get over there. But then he's like, oh, I actually can get over there so easy. Now he just always, every single shot, tail grab, indie grab, both first shot.
Uzi, you were like 3 for 3 on builds that people have thoroughly enjoyed.
Hey, what can I say? I'm actually really happy you guys liked it, because at first I was like, having that landing seems like it'd be sick, and then everyone's like, no. But I'm hyped you guys did it. All right, we hope you guys liked that video. You could subscribe, like, leave a comment below. What do you think we should do with the next build? There should be more videos right here in this general area. And we'll see you in the next one.